So on the spot medical help is called first aid. So on the spot immediate medical help is called first aid. Very often we suffer minor injuries at home which do not need a specialist medical attention. These can be treated at home if we have knowledge of first aid. For example, if by accident we cut a finger, we can use some Dettol or a Band-Aid to solve the problem instead of rushing to the hospital for a minor injury. So we see that we often suffer minor injuries at home which does not require specialist medical attention, and these can be treated at home if we have knowledge of first aid. And we need to always keep a first aid kit at home or in school wherever it is necessary, and the first aid box needs to have the appropriate things in it. So we are going to see what are all the different first aid we can use. So the first aid for burns. So what are the first aid for burns? Burn is an injury caused by exposure to heat or flame. In case of burn, we should take the first aid steps. So what do we mean by burns? So burn is an injury caused due to the exposure to heat or flame. And what first aid we should take in case of burn? So first is in case if the burn is minor, in case of minor burns, put the burnt area under cold running water till the pain subsides. For example, if we are using the cooker and by accident we place our hand on the hot cooker or anything else, immediately we need to place our hand under cold running water till the pain subsides a bit. If dough is available in the refrigerator, that is the dough used to make chapatis, if the dough is or the dough that is used to make the dosas, then put a thick layer of dough on the affected area. So we were talking about, we often see that the injuries that are minor and can be treated at home and does not need specialist medical attention. These can be treated at home if we have knowledge of first aid. So what are the different things we can use first aid for at home? So first aid for burns. So burn is an injury caused by the exposure to heat or flame, and in case of burn we should take the first aid steps. So if the burn is minor, so in case of minor burns, put the burnt area under cold running water till the pain subsides. If dough is available in the refrigerator, then put a thick layer of dough on the affected area. So these are all the first aid that can be done in case the burns are minor.